Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo, we are outside again. Okay, so today family, I'm just gonna go for a little stretch. Not major. I'm gonna head down by Walsall ways. I don't know what's happening with this camera mic, you know, for some reason it's not connecting as soon as you turn it on, turn the camera on. So I need to sort that setting out. Maybe it needs updating or something, the firmware. But yeah, how is everybody this morning? How is everyone this afternoon? How is everyone this evening, no matter what time you're watching? I hope you enjoy the content, the visuals. As I said before, we're on the road to 500 subscribers. It's not a lot, but it's a lot to me. But big up everyone that, you know, that's already here, man. Big up everyone that shares the videos. And big up everyone that slaps that like button. And if this is your first time here, then welcome to the channel, man. From Bike is not going anywhere but touching road. How about that? So I'll be here. The aim is to give you content 7 days a week. Every day. I've even got some stuff that's sort of in the archives, guys, that's been edited and all sorts. But that's waiting for later on. I just want to see how much you guys appreciate the space. Do you get me? Yeah. I'll tell you something, man. I keep saying this all the time, man. It's freezing. Don't let the brightness fool you, man. It's cold. Anytime I come out in this fluorescent, you know, say it's cold. You get me? So, what's the plan for the summer, guys? Where are we going? Where are you going? Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm in this lane here. It's like loads of times, yeah, when I'm on this bike, I have to my brain keeps sitting down in car mode certain times. And then when I remember, I'm like, oh, okay, shit, I'm on a bike. There's some bus lanes that bikes can use. Yeah, man. What's with all the traffic, man? Should have done dropped the kids to school already. Alright, what are we doing? Could that drugs impair your driving? Never. See, I wanted to do a little motorway run, but after last time, and I can feel this wind, man. I won't be doing that. There's a place here. Anyone who wants like an Indian grill, that place there, Broadway Bar and Grill, it's not too bad to be fair. It's actually alright. See, I'm back in car mode again. Walsall Town Centre. I'd like to know, lads, anyone that bites quite regularly, is that the right way? Do you guys get stopped by the police? Have you ever been stopped? What's been the experience, man? Yeah, Daniel's changed. Now recruiting drivers. So if anyone has that license, I believe it's class 2. Is that class 2? There's a number 01992 701 707. Call the hotline or apply at jjfoodservice.com. I hate this, like you can't see what's going on in front of you, so I do like to be in front of these things. And it says on there, blind spot, take care, cyclists beware of beware of passing this vehicle on the inside. Oh, what am I doing? Can't go this way. Ugh. Can I turn? Oh, I can't even turn right there. Ugh. Town centres are so awkward to drive around. It's just stupid, man. We're gonna get out of here. Look at that, man. Can't go right. That's it. So straight ahead, if you want to go Wolverhampton, Dudley or Cannock, you got M6 North, M5, and over here is the Walsall sort of complex, isn't it? Is it this one? No, it's not even this one. There is a place up here where you've got all the you know, you got your shopping place, bowling, entertainment and all that sort of stuff. Oh, it's down there, I think. You know what's actually funny? I was looking for a ZX9R before, and there was one like this. It was down here somewhere. One young kid had one. And I rode it, and there was something about it that just didn't feel right. You know what I mean? I don't know what it was. And I was gonna part chop it with my 7. It was on my neck about my 7, tried to tell me that, you know one of them youths that just want to give you next to nothing for it. I'm not even gonna say what kind of YouTube it was, but yeah, man tried to offer stupid money for it. I'm like, mate, don't be silly. And it was in my Facebook Marketplace DMs for a long time. So one day I decided to go over on a Part X thing, and he tried to tell me, he was trying to tell me there was stuff wrong with my 7, and there was nothing wrong with it at all, mate. You get me? He just wanted it for next to nothing, but he wanted to get shot at that 9 so bad. But what I think it was is he was hot on the bike, innit? You know what I mean? I mean, obviously he was only about 21, something like that. Do you get me? So maybe he got run down with it, and he just needed to, you know what I mean, shake the tail. Get me? Yeah, and it was green as well. And I had my concerns about the colour. I was like, well, I don't know about the green thing, you know. And now look, but this one, to be fair, this one was mint, or is. It rides perfect, no problem. So that's why I thought, you know what, let me bypass the green, because even what I paid for it as well was, yeah, had to take it. Smell of KFC, but they're probably not even open yet. Okay, family, that was just a quick ride through Walsall, and it's this side of Walsall because there's many different bits of Walsall actually. So yeah, I hope you got something out of it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. We are.